So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, The Small Travel Angel. Then I'm back with a vlog, and today we're going to be traveling to mini Las Vegas, that's Atlantic City, and I'm totally hyped for it. And it's going to be our first destination in United States of America, and we are going to be mapping down the northeast coast of United States. So now let's enjoy the journey and let's go. So guys, here we are going on the highway, and here we see, like, I guess these are the subways right here in which are being made out here in New York, or they are the dock. See, this is no, I guess they are not the subways, they are the Coney Island Rapid Transit Car Overhaul Shop. So look at this, wow, that's United States for you. Also over there, yet we can see the New York skyline. We are close to New York City. We haven't exited the city since a long time, and there's a lot of traffic on the highway. So guys, here we are on a bridge of New York City, I guess, which is the Staten Island Bridge. And for this you have to pay a toll through Easy Pass. And look at the height of this bridge. See on the right, look at the height of this bridge. Like, I guess you all won't be able to see, but behind you all can see the New York City skyline below. Here you all can see the New York City skyline. Wow, like welcome to New York, my friend. The infrastructure which you are seeing out here is next level. And people say that Howrah Bridge is built on two pillars, but this bridge, I guess the length of it is like a lot more than the Howrah Bridge, and its height is also like extremely, like, you know, like, it's extremely tall than the Howrah Bridge, or whatever you compare it. And people in Mumbai were like, coastal road. This is the real coastal road you had to build. So now let's head towards our destination, Atlantic City Borgata Hotel, and celebrate my dad's birthday.
There's a 5-minute congestion.
So guys, here we have checked in into our hotel, Borgata. Here you can have a look at the start of the room. Here is the washroom. It's pretty grand. We got it quite at a very effective price. So no jet. So the shower area. Close it. Pretty good, yeah, big. And two grand beds, like queen beds, and then a TV, a coffee machine out there, a place to chill. And then here you have a view of the like above area of the Borgata Hotel, like casino place. And then here you have a great view of Atlantic City, like in the outskirts where the Borgata Hotel is situated, near MGM Tower. And here you get a view like some kind of grasslands or something. Then there you have a view of Golden Nugget, and the main view is this. Yeah, this is pretty good. The yachts which are there, yeah, pretty good view. Like, I have to zoom in a lot through the camera, but otherwise it's visible quite well. And if you'll see near the yachts, the main area, like behind the yachts, which I can't show you all because that's obstructed, because yeah, over there is the main boardwalk, and Caesars and all are there. But this is how Atlantic City is. It's called as mini Vegas. So we came here because it's close by to New York, and it's like we wanted to experience something, and like we wanted to get rid of our jet lag, but we didn't get any like, I don't know, but I don't feel like any jet lag at the moment. So yeah, and I won't feel, because we had a great sleep in the flight, so no jet lag to have happening. So let's see where we go now. So first we take a shower. We haven't taken a shower since like last 36 hours. It was a great drive from New York City to Atlantic City. Now let's explore a hotel and see if we explore Atlantic City today.
The next day.
So guys, here you all can see like people are running over here. I guess there's a marathon out there today, and over there even police is was there. Like, I don't know if you can see the blinking of those. Yeah, there. So some huge marathon, and yachts which are there outside, amazing, just like JBR which is there in Dubai. So, and this is the parking lot, as I told you yesterday, of NGM and Borgata. So yeah, the marathon is going on, and we'll explore Atlantic City today. So let's ready up. I'm done with my shower. My parents will go, then we leave. Maybe take the jitney bus, and then we reach the city center and see like what's the boardwalk mostly. Like that's the main city center of the Atlantic City. So guys, after taking some rest in our hotel, we have finally left, and now we have come to the boardwalk of the Atlantic City, and it's actually amazing. Like
Amazing.
did you like it?
It's fantastic. It's a must come, you know.
And I'm finally using my gimbal now, so it's pretty heavy. No problem. We focus on using it, so it's fine, you know. So now let's head towards the fire, and then we do some like at the moment everything's closed, but main like Atlantic City would shine during the night.
You should.
Yeah, I'll actually show you how the view is.
A person who's there deep in the water.
Yeah, like you can see a person who's surfing, and here there are a few people like who are going to start surfing. Yeah, they are just running out.
There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. He's come. He's come. He's come. He's come.
He's coming back.
There we go.
And here there's the Ferris wheel. It's there. So yeah, that's how Atlantic City is. There was like we took the jitney bus out here, and we have come out. There's nothing much to do here, what I've seen. Like main thing is your just hotel or resort where you are staying at, and everything's out there. So yeah, maybe let's see if we go to Walmart today, because my parents had gone there last night. They bought quite a few things like for $60, and my breakfast was also like some cereals and some almond milk which they had bought last night. So let's head out there, but maybe everything's closed. So let's just have a stroll. And we paid around $3 for the jitney bus. The fare for it has increased from August, so fine. So guys, here we have taken a pizza slice for, this is for $5 and this one is for $7. Both are vegetarian. So let's try it out now. It said that New York slices are the most oily and amazing pizzas. So yeah, it's too hot. It's too hot. 1 minute wait. Let's try it now. Very crispy. Slice of pizza and does too much oil. Fine, but not good for $5. Now let's see where we head. So guys, here we have come to Caesars, as you can see. So there was also Hell's Kitchen over here, which is of Gordon Ramsay. This is also a part of it, and this hotel is like a better one than Borgata, where we are living or we are staying. But yeah, it's like Caesars is also there in Las Vegas, as I know, as much as I know, and it's really good. Let's explore first.